EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for January 24th, 2022. It is Monday, back to work. And today's video forecast is sponsored by Kinsley's Family Market in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania. Kinsley's is the world's largest ShopRite, and the ShopRite logo means they're all about food, they're all about savings, and they're all about you. They have delivery 7 days a week of the freshest produce, seafood, and meats. They handle 16 local wineries and have a great beer selection and their own in-house smoked meats department, pharmacy, and the largest shop-from-home department in the entire area. They are Kinsley ShopRite, located at 107 Kinsley's Drive in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania, proud sponsors of the Monday forecast video. So, yesterday we had a little clipper system move through. Some areas got some minor accumulations of snow out of that, especially once you get out here into north central Pennsylvania by Williamsport State College. Several inches of snow fell there, about 3-4 inches in some spots, but the rest of us are generally a coating to an inch. We have another one of these little fast-moving clipper systems that are going to move toward the region today. I think this is going to be a slightly further north than last time, not by much, but a little bit. But I still think you're going to see some snow, although not really indicated here on the GFS. As I go over the NAM high-res feature simulated radar, I'll start this off at 5 o'clock this evening. By the way, you can see the timestamp of these models in the upper right-hand corner. This is actual time. If you have not seen these videos the last couple of days, I've been changing this to a lot easier of a format for you to follow along. So this is 5 p.m. This is the actual time. You have to subtract 5 hours. It's not Zulu time, okay? Not universal time. Up here, the the upper left of the image is going to show you what model we're using. So this is the 3-kilometer NAM, and this is the composite reflectivity and precipitation type radar, okay? And move this forward, you can see some snow showers. Generally the same areas that saw it yesterday, although the far southeastern fringe doesn't look like it's going to get into this as much as it yesterday. So we had some minor accumulations that went across, Berks County, Lehigh, Northampton, generally about a half inch or thereabout there, but maybe slightly higher than that in a few spots. But I think it's going to be a little bit further northwest today. We'll continue to watch that because there could be some snow showers down there too. But it looks like this is going to take place during the evening, and that's pretty much it. Because then once we get past midnight, just get some lingering flurries, maybe a snow shower continuing far north, and that's it. So there could be some minor accumulations with that. We'll reevaluate that in the morning. We have to send alerts again like we did yesterday. We'll do that again today. Okay, so that system's going to move through. And then once we get to Tuesday, we'll call it partly to mostly cloudy. We're going to have some clouds early on and then might have some decreasing clouds later as the system continues to pull through. And temperatures, it's actually dragging a cold front with it. So the temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow, as you can see. 32 to 42 is the spread tomorrow as opposed to 26 to 34 today. Okay, so a little bit milder ahead of that front, and then we go right back down into the freezer again on Wednesday and Thursday. Both days are mostly sunny, high pressure sitting over top of the region. So you have a mostly sunny day on Wednesday, very clear and very cold night. Wednesday night, getting down to the single digits again, some areas below zero in the far northern areas. And then once we get to Thursday, you're mostly sunny once again. You're going to raise the temperatures a little bit, though, by about 5 degrees or so. So it'll be kind of like 20, 22 for a high, something like that for Wednesday, and then upper 20s by the time we get to Thursday, okay? Now, the next system is the interesting one. This is the one that everybody is starting to write off, and I don't think that's the right idea right now. I don't think it's a good idea to write this system off on the weekend because most models have this weekend system out to sea, and this is Friday night, basically, okay? So this is the new GFS that ran this evening. And it has a few snow showers with the northern stream energy moving across the region on Friday. So in our local forecast, we have snow showers in the forecast for Friday. It's after that, what does it do? Well, we get this little coastal system here off the southeastern U.S. coastline. Is this going to come up here and be close enough to cause problems for at least our eastern areas? We don't know that yet, okay? It's possible. And this is very, very close. As a matter of fact, it skims the shore points on its way up to New England and then just nails eastern New England, okay? I will tell you that this is not as progressive as it was in the last couple of runs. The last couple of runs had this further out to the east, even further offshore, and it looked like a dead-on-arrival system. It was not going to be affecting us at all. Well, now it's coming further northwest. A lot of its ensemble members are leaning northwest as well, so we have to keep a close eye on this. Not saying it's going to hit, not saying you need to change plans for Friday night and Saturday, or that we're going to be buried in snow. But it's only Monday morning. That's it. It's Monday morning. This is a lot of time to trend between now and the end of the week, and we've seen this time and time again with coastal systems, and how it all comes down to the position of this trough here, because there's see this big trough right here. If this is just a little bit further west, just a little bit, okay, the center of the axis of this trough coming in here, it's a little bit further west. That makes everything else come west too, and the track is more like this instead of like this, okay? So that's a big difference, and again, that's just speculation. There's no concrete evidence of that. I know the Canadian model that ran yesterday afternoon showed a pretty big hit here across, places like eastern Pennsylvania and New Jersey. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I just don't want to write it off and say it's going to be an out to sea solution. There's a lot of different possibilities. This is something you want to follow throughout the week and see where it trends. And we'll let you know the latest trends as we have it over the next couple of days. And it very well could be out to sea. So we'll see. I just don't want to write it off yet. And then behind the system, we go to partly cloudy skies and cold temperatures over the weekend. Partly cloudy Saturday, mostly sunny on Sunday, with cold temperatures both days in the wake of that system. So we'll continue to monitor that throughout the week. We're going to focus on today first, this evening, when we have the snow showers moving in for the areas affected, and we will narrow down exactly where we're going to send those alerts to, because we might have some more, another repeat of what we had last night in some places. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for January 24th, 2022. Have a great Monday.